What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Knowledge Nuggets, where we make your travel life easier and way more fun. Have you ever been stuck on a flight that felt longer than a Mr. Beast challenge? You know, the kind where every minute feels like an hour? You know, the kind where your legs are cramped and you can't find a comfortable position no matter how much you squirm? The air is drier than the Sahara, making your skin feel like it's turning into a desert itself. And to top it all off, the guy next to you is basically using your shoulder as a pillow, snoring away like he's in his own bed. Yeah, we've all been there. It's like a universal struggle for anyone who flies. Studies show that 75% of people find long flights super uncomfortable. That's a huge number, right? The worst thing about flying and how to beat it. Here are some essential tips to survive long flights. Stay hydrated, move around, and bring your own entertainment. Let's dive into these tips in detail. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a stress-free journey filled with maximum comfort and entertainment. From what to pack to how to stay entertained, we've got you covered. After this video, you'll be stepping off that plane feeling fresh and ready to explore. No more dragging your feet or feeling like a zombie. Let's get into it. Alright guys, first up, let's talk packing. We've all been there, staring at a suitcase that seems to have shrunk in the wash. But fear not, because I'm about to make you a packing ninja. The key here is to pack light and smart. We're talking rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Trust me, it saves space and prevents wrinkles. Next level packing hack, use packing cubes. These bad boys are like compartmentalizing your suitcase. And speaking of gadgets, don't forget to pack a portable charger. There's nothing worse than your phone dying mid-flight. Now let's talk about conquering boredom at 30,000 feet. First up, download your favorite movies and TV shows before you even step foot on that plane. Don't rely on that spotty airplane Wi-Fi. It's a recipe for buffering frustration. And hey, if reading is your jam, pack a good book or download some audiobooks. Oh, and for all you gamers out there, make sure to charge your Nintendo Switch or load up your phone with games. Because nothing says I'm not bored at all, like crushing it on Mario Kart during a 10-hour flight. Alright folks, comfort is key when you're trapped in a metal tube hurtling through the air. First things first, invest in a good neck pillow. Trust me, your neck will thank you later. And don't even think about wearing those tight, restrictive clothes. We're talking loose-fitting, comfy clothes all the way, baby. Remember, comfort is king or queen in the air. And here's a pro tip. Bring an eye mask and earplugs. These little wonders will block out all the light and noise, turning that economy seat into your own personal sleep sanctuary. Hydration Station. The secret weapon for feeling fresh. Staying hydrated is the name of the game when it comes to surviving long flights. That dry airplane air can suck the moisture out of you faster than you can say dehydration headache. So, here's the plan. Chug water like it's your job. Bring an empty, reusable water bottle through security and fill it up at a water fountain before you board. Don't be that person who constantly bugs the flight attendants for water. And for an extra hydration boost, pack some electrolyte powder to add to your water. Sleep like a baby. Unlocking the secrets of in-flight zzz. Let's be real, sleeping on a plane can be a challenge. We already talked about the magical combination of an eye mask and earplugs. But there's more. If you're a light sleeper, consider investing in noise-canceling headphones. They're a lifesaver, especially when you're surrounded by crying babies and chatty neighbors. And here's a pro tip. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before and during your flight. Stick to water and herbal tea. You'll be snoozing like a champ in no time. Ditch the airplane food. The ultimate guide to healthy snacking. Let's face it, airplane food isn't exactly known for being healthy or delicious. It's often bland, overly processed, and sometimes even unrecognizable. But fear not, my friends, because we're about to upgrade your in-flight dining experience. Imagine enjoying tasty, nutritious snacks while everyone else is stuck with the standard fare. The key is to pack your own snacks. This way, you have full control over what you eat and can avoid the pitfalls of unhealthy airplane food. Think trail mix, nuts, dried fruit, and other wholesome options that are easy to pack and carry. Granola bars are another great choice. Basically, anything that's healthy, non-perishable, and won't stink up the whole plane. And here's a pro tip: pack some fresh fruit like apples or oranges. These fruits are not only delicious, but also travel-friendly. They're packed with vitamins and will keep you feeling refreshed and energized throughout your journey. Plus, they can help keep you hydrated. Trust me, your taste buds and your stomach will thank you later. You'll arrive at your destination feeling much better and ready to take on whatever comes next. All right, everyone, it's time to get physical. I know, you're probably thinking, exercise on a plane? Are you crazy? But hear me out. Sitting for hours on end can wreak havoc on your body, making you feel stiff, sore, and just plain blah. That's why it's crucial to incorporate some simple stretches and exercises into your flight routine. Simple things like neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, and ankle rotations can make a world of difference. Trust me, your body will thank you when you land feeling refreshed and energized. All right, let's talk entertainment. We already covered movies, TV shows, books, and games, but the fun doesn't stop there. If you're a music lover, create a playlist of your favorite tunes or download some new podcasts to check out. And hey, if you're feeling social, strike up a conversation with your seatmate. You never know who you might meet. The point is, there's no excuse to be bored on a plane when you have a world of entertainment options at your fingertips. Choosing the right seat can make or break your flight experience. If you're all about that legroom life, aim for an exit row seat. But be warned, these seats usually come with a price tag. If you're on a budget, window seats are your best bet for sleeping or enjoying the view. And if you're someone who needs to use the restroom frequently, snag an aisle seat for easy access. Pro tip: use a website or app like Seat Guru to check out the seat map of your plane before you select your seat. All right, let's talk travel essentials. We've already covered some big ones, but there are a few more things you'll want to pack to make your journey even smoother. First up, compression socks. They help improve blood circulation and prevent swelling, so you can say goodbye to those dreaded cankles. Next up, a portable charger. We already talked about this one, but it's worth mentioning again. And finally, don't forget a good book, a comfy eye mask, and your sense of adventure. These essentials will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. There you have it, folks. You're officially armed with the top airplane hacks that will transform your flying experience. With these tips, you can conquer any long flight like a boss. By following these strategies, you'll be able to sit back, relax, and actually enjoy your journey. No more stressing about cramped seats or noisy neighbors. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to airplane hacks? Drop them in the comments below, and let's share the travel wisdom. Your tips could help fellow travelers have a smoother flight. And hey, if you're looking for even more travel tips and tricks, make sure to check out my videos where I reveal the ultimate guide to packing for any trip. From weekend getaways to month-long adventures, I've got you covered. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content, and happy flying!